Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Fiat Ducato van. So from any screen, if you go onto nav, we've gone onto map there, it's been on map before, so you need to get to the direction. So what you need to do now is press the nav button again, and then you've got navigate to. It's basically a TomTom system, so click navigate to. You've got home, favorites, address, recent destinations, so go to address. And we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, and it says city and postcode there, so we're going to put our postcode in, which is R. Now we need numbers. You've got 1, 2, 3 down here, so we click 1, 2, 3 and it's changed to numbers. We want 5, 4, and then we need to go back to letters, so that's the A, B, C there, J, where's S? Alright, I can't see S. It's not like I've not done this before. So that's it. Papa Romeo 5, 4 Juliet Sierra. Just click on that. It's asking me for a house number. We don't have a number here, but I'll put 272 in and then click done. House number found, not found, nearest available, so done.
Turn left.
That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.